او سیاست با د پاکستان د قومونو منتخبه اسمبلی کوي ISI او فوج او ټولې ادارې به که د دوی زړه غواړي چې نه غواړي. We request that this aid should be written via an Afghan medium. This aid should be written by those Afghans who are against terrorism, and that can be written by summoning of a lawyer Jirga, the nucleus of which will be ex-King Zahir Shah, and this will definitely be supported by millions and millions of Afghans. We will form Pashtunkhwa, Sindh, Pakistan, Balochistan, community.
Millions of people will receive him. Millions of Pashtuns, even Baloch, will receive him at Quetta Airport. Millions. Not as a king, but as an old citizen, a beloved citizen of Afghanistan who can be a nucleus for a loya jirga in this crisis.